wasn't about to leave my bike out here. Go for it, I'll watch your bike.
No, I was just coming here to watch your bike.
Oh, yeah, thanks. Alright folks, welcome back to the channel. On today's quick vlog, we have a red RX Super 73. I wasn't too keen on having the blue ONYX that I had, the ONYX RCR, so a guy on Facebook Marketplace, actually, Charles, a buddy, an old LA Eastgate buddy, traded me his RX plus cash, and I couldn't refuse the deal. He already has the cane-built light. I added a fairing. He had an LA Eastgate decal here with carbon fiber stickers as well. He has his decal. What's cool about this bike is he has underlights. I kind of fixed up some wiring, but he has under red, or whatever color I would like, red underlights that glow, so at night it would look really cool. I added this custom tail light. You can actually make this on your own. It's really easy. And I popped back a Super 73 S2 seat here. But that's pretty much it. I love the ONYX RCR, but I didn't like the standard version. I like the shorty version more. The blue one, unfortunately, was too tall for my my preference, so I sold it. And I already have an ONYX City Y. There was really no point in having both vehicles. They served me just the same. We're at Brea Sports Park. I was very fortunate that the restroom was big enough to have the bike inside. I didn't want to leave it out. I think there's about 7 folks on today's holiday meetup ride. All electric bikes, obviously. Electric bike meetup ride. And we're getting started. Let's roll. Alright, a lot of mid-drives. I'm approaching the tracks, which is going to be a pretty cool ride here. And I'm going to be able to get a head count. This is the tracks at Brea. Alright, 1, 2, me being 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7. 7 total. Let's roll. I haven't been here in a while. I probably do this ride once a year, and it's always around holidays because, again, there's nice Christmas lights. And we're doing about 25 to 30 miles, depending on how we're doing on time. Cool. Martin is the only one that doesn't have pedal assist. I think he's got his surron, obviously. But we got the RX. We need more pavement rides. We kind of want to balance our riding these days. We prefer mountain bike trails, but yeah, I mean, that's the thing with having multiple bikes. You kind of want to, plan your weekly routes so that you're balancing, because it's not good if the battery is just stagnant. Alright. The track is very chill. I haven't seen any no e-bike sign here, so I think we're okay. As long as we're not going over like 30 miles per hour. In fact, I'm trying to stick under 20 miles per hour for now. And as you know me, I'm a leisure cruise rider, and I think that's why really I sold the ONYX. I don't really want to go that fast anywhere. The other thing that I don't like about the ONYX is it's just too damn heavy. I don't like having to have an actual scooter ramp, moped ramp to use on the to your left. Thank you. I don't want to have to lug that big bike up and down the SUV when most of my rides that I go to is literally like leisure cruise rides. Those speed rides, you know, there's some pros and cons to it. You get to your destination faster. I find them dangerous, and I like sightseeing, so an RX, a Super73, 30 miles per hour is definitely more than enough, more than adequate for my needs. And yeah, I really don't like bikes that Crystal can't handle, so I can't justify that expensive bike on my own. At least this one, she can kind of utilize it. I don't know. That's just my take for it, for sure. We did the trade right before Thanksgiving, right before ONYX did their $1,000 off promotion. So I think that was good timing on my part, because otherwise Charles probably would have bought directly from the ONYX. But then again, mine was blue.
This trail here.
The tracks at Brea. Yeah.
How long is it?
It's gonna end soon, actually. They're looking to continue it further,
Yeah.
but I think total is literally 3 miles or less.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but it's nice, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Never been here before. Didn't even know that this thing existed.
Yeah, Bray and Fullerton, they're really bike friendly. Very naturey here. Very nice. It is cold though, because it is December, so it's winter. Summarize, I didn't need the 41 amp battery as well. I didn't need that much range. I don't go on speed rides too much. I already have the ONYX City Y for my work purposes. Yeah, I'm a fan of Super 73s. The S2 is really what I recommend if you want to conserve on the the price. There's a ramp where you could walk your bike. There's a little slot, but if you want to go down the stairs, feel free to do that too. But I'm walking my bike this way.
These are the stairs?
Yeah, there's a slot where your tires go. Yeah, just follow me. You're gonna do that? Okay, go for it. Have fun. Phew. This is what's cool about here, tracks. I mean, it's a short ride, but at least the exit's kind of nice. I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is like the mall right here. But that's going to be on my my little riff about why I sold my ONYX, blue ONYX 41 amp, and you just get so much attention on that blue bike, and yeah, I don't really care about attention. If anything, I want to like be stealthy. Thank you for watching and supporting the channel. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for additional discounts on arielrider, Super 73. This is Julian signing out. Stay tuned for the next half of this ride. See you guys in the next one. Peace.